with Angry Birds match. Not this Angry Birds Transformers BS again. And also there's a baby shark looking stuff and my baby brother's here. I threw a Lego brick at him. This part is only getting started, yeah. Why, thank you. We need to wait until one of them touch on that blade of grass. Go over there. Yes. Please. No, touch the grass. Touch the grass. Don't go on the chair. Come on, touch the grass. Oh my God. Seriously, man, fine. What do those mean? I can't make children touch grass. I hate when I can't make children touch grass. Oh, this is about. Oh, yep, everyone's dead. You saw that too. Oh my God, these were fire. Red is here again. Don't you dare move. Oh, you're moving closer to red. Oh my God, die. Boom, boom, frick yeah. And now can you like go over to that area with those green thingies? Yes, yes, go there. No, you were so close to touching grass. Wait, did he touch grass? No, he didn't touch grass. Come on, I really want these people to touch grass so that I can just end this series. I can just do this. Boom, boom, boom. And baru and now we do this. Only 3 more donuts. Huh. Okay, let's just get that and get red. And then, how do I get donuts, man? Oh, that's 2 donuts. Donuts. Skip. Go over there. Yep, over there. Strong one. Want to go with that guy? Safe progress. Large lemon, sweet trout, unique bud. How do I get out of this? Guys, guess. Vanilla leaf. Launch a bird to participate in the league. Ooh, level 15 has some rainbow. Rainbow brigade. Oh. Yuck, that's a glue. Are you really sure it's glue? That is the most terrible joke I've ever made. Also, I should have just done this. If this guy is left. Oh, he's already dead. Now I can do that and get a red. Oh, I got 2,000 thingies. Oh, bingo. Okay, wait, I want to look at the bingo. Claim. Awesome. Past levels and prizes. $67. What do I do here? Create pattern. I know on grid. Have to make a pattern. I get one there, I've got a freaking chest. First, what? I am so confused. So there's a bunch of stuff. Let me just do this and kablooski all the stuff in one go. Chick is literally amazed, having fun. Nope. Waiting for someone to touch grass. Touch grass, please. Which one is the bingo? Oh, this one is the bingo. Oh, I got this one. Please. I got bingo, baby. I got this guy. And I just coins and check. Can a party? You can only do all of those ones. Holy crap. And what about this one? Okay, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do there either. Level 17, then we unlock a new guy. You can also use vertical glue. Yep, I definitely knew that. Clear all the glue, friends. Holy crap, everything is dead. And now let's just do that and then done. And now we get a new word, right? Yep, we do. Get the pink one. I'm not sure what pink style. Yep. Wait, I gotta. Come on. Who are you? Which one? Jake? Jake just touched grass. I love you, Jake. Shout outs to Jake. Every person named Jake out there, with all love and respect, every single person named Jake out there should be treated into the heavens. Thank you, Jake. Jake, you have saved my life from the 3rd episode. Oh my god, Jake just saved me. I didn't even set a timer. Also, let's set a timer. Set a timer for Angry Birds Pop. Ba-dum bum ba-da. Bum ba. Ba-dum bum ba-da. Oh, shit. Wait. That's calendar, not frick. Stopwatch. Ba-da-ba-ba-da. Bum ba. Ba-da-ba. Time to touch some grass. Boom, boom. We're in the forest, so we touch grass. Yeah, baby. We're in the forest and we start touching grass. And now we're playing Blast. Ooh, did that rhyme? We're touching forest and we're touching grass. And now we're having a blast. Woo, yeah, that did rhyme. Grass and blast. I don't think there's grass in this game. And there's a downloading thingy. Later. I'll download it later. Now let's pause and go to Angry Birds Journey. They are touching on the grass in the loading screen. That's a good sign. That's an amazing sign. If they're touching grass in the loading screen, bro, they touch grass. Someone help me. They touch grass in the loading screen, bros. They are touching grass in the loading screen. Then you know you are set. Oh, register something at silver. I love how Angry Birds Aren't Photo looks. The holy egg. Oh my god, we are doing a ritual. And we summon Bluebird. Oh my god, Bluebird is giving us instructions on eggs. And then little children take the egg with more children. And then they become Elon Musk. That child is about to get kidnapped. That little blue child is about to get kidnapped, bro. This is a pretty long cutscene, by the way. Long cutscene at least, but we still can't touch grass. Oh frick, I can't touch grass. The tutorial doesn't let me touch grass. Yes. No! It didn't touch the freaking grass. Chalk touch grass. Chalk touch grass. Chalk touch grass. And then we go and wait on Angry Birds Blast. Turns out I think it can like do it offline when the person is not here, so enjoy me doing some random stuff. Put in the fridge and drink some water. Straight from the bottle. 2:29. Hello, sir. 2:33. 2:63. Inflating balloons, and finally we're in here. I want to hear the music. I haven't played Angry Birds Blast in a while. Okay, no music so far. Oh, come on. I was about to freaking... Now can I like go another place? Oh, shoot. This is a grassland. Okay, no, wait. Let me see if there's anywhere where it lands on grass. Level 11, guys. Level freaking 11 is where we can touch grass. Oh my god. Level 11 is when we touch grass. We're closing literally everything.
Oh no.
Oh, ignore that. I should have cut that out.
Oh no.
Now my brother saying, oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, that's it for today, guys. That was fun, and tomorrow we're gonna continue Angry Birds Blast. Now there's Azan, and I'm gonna saw it, and my baby brother's being loud. So goodbye. See you next time. Next time I'll probably complete Angry Birds Blast. Goodbye.